Mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang, a mukbangin', mukbang. Oh, we hangin', we bang, oh, we bangin'.
What's up, y'all, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we are doing a seafood boil. And in our bowls we have shrimp, potatoes, snow crab, corn, and sausage. And we have our special sauce, and we have a special guest. We have Amelia. Her name's Amelia, and we call her Mimi. And oh, we have twins again. And and we all have red
the famous old school red Kool-Aid.
And I'm gonna pray for the food. God is good, God is great. Let's take it for our food by his head well fed. Let's take it daily bread. Amen. Praise the Lord God. Amen.
Amen.
Alright. Are you gonna get to?
Yeah, I got my potato first.
Give you a potato.
I'm gonna have it all up in my juice.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Get your corn too.
I'm grabbing this one because it's bigger. Sorry, my arms in my bag. It's right here. Okay, so let's. Oh man, I gotta get my hands dirty.
We just dipped them.
Yeah, you dip it in there.
What kind of sauce is this?
Sauce good.
It's good.
It is. How you look at us like you thought it was nasty?
It's good.
We ain't double dipping type stuff.
Oh yes, we are. Could've got your own. Wait, Maya, get your bowl from up there.
Oh, yeah.
Why Jada get her own?
Cause I ain't wanna like reach over her food.
I need this.
Told you. Hey, this is. I'm just break this off.
This sauce good, don't count.
Trying to cut this. Okay, I need help, Maya.
Okay. Got it.
I can't even get this open.
So? What?
But the juice keeps shooting on my white Nike shorts. Anyways.
Get some napkins.
Oh my goodness.
That's Gabby. Don't worry about it. Okay. No, we gotta go cut it off.
Cut it off.
Did you just see that?
Yes.
Watch that. Did you go cut it off? I gotta get up and cut it off? Yes. Alright. Let me just clean this. Clean my arm real quick. Gotta get my leg out and everything.
It's done.
She gonna call my phone next watch.
Is your ring girl?
I'm gonna use these.
Is your ring girl?
I don't know. I wanna cut it off. Got my scissors, y'all. There we
What
go.
we about to talk about?
Whatever
I'm
you
gonna
want to
eat first.
Right?
We're gonna talk about what happened. We're gonna talk about what happened last night.
Oh, the kidnap.
Yes,
That
yes.
was Mimi. You knew about that. You didn't even try to tell. How did you hold it? Cause you can't hold nothing.
You didn't hold water?
I can't hold water. I held that. I was surprised.
That's what, bruh. Why did I think of that? Yeah, Mimi, you held that. You held that. Good job, one, cause you didn't tell us though.
I did that. I wasn't about to tell y'all either.
Why?
Cause why would I want to ruin it like that?
That dog funny. She fell down the stairs.
Mimi felt.
Oh, my little brother. Mama, come get Jaden.
Oh, he looks mad.
Okay.
Go on.
He mad. This sauce good.
I'm in a mess, y'all. That's okay.
I haven't had seafood in a long time.
These potatoes are good.
My sauce still around. Let me eat it.
This video gonna be a whole good 30 minutes.
Watch this, y'all.
Hey, oh, I thought.
Man, I'm trying to get mine out like that.
My little sister know how to do it.
Hey,
I haven't watched one of y'all.
Now watch the video. She get it out smooth. Why she let it and show us then?
Is he mad?
Lele.
Mama! Come get Jaden!
I gotta get my scissors out. Look at me looking at you.
I did that.
You did it.
Ouch. I can't get it. Somebody show me. I need help.
Oh,
I'm struggling over here. I'm gonna use my scissors. That's what I'm doing. Using my scissors.
This about to be hot. This juice. There we go.
Oh, he's mad. Oh my god.
It's alright, Jaden.
Okay, this ain't
He
it,
wants to
man.
eat right now, so.
Yeah, he wants to be in the video. He in the room.
Why y'all let hit me with a?
He in the room. I mean, how he doing?
His food about
come
to
in.
drop.
His food, his food, his food.
Ouch. Hey, Jaden. There we go. Y'all.
Oh!
That's out of my eye. See, Ma, you couldn't have to get back now.
Turn the hey!
Okay, you're not lost. I can't do that.
You doing? It got stuff on it. So?
Oh,
Oh, I got it out.
You need a napkin?
I got it out though. This is. Try this shrimp. How you find that shrimp?
Oh, yeah, we gotta talk about the kidnapping. Y'all, we gotta
You
talk
got that
about
one.
Alright, so yesterday night,
Well, we planned the kidnapping way before it. Like,
they planned it way before yesterday, but yesterday night we got
After
the
our
new
first
what was
home
it,
game.
the new people, the newcomers?
the returners kidnapped the new teammates.
people.
Yeah. And guess who was first?
Amaya.
My mom was in on it. The coach called my mom the day of Halloween and told her what was going on. And what was it? It was Saturday it was Friday that they kidnapped us. And they all came to my house, went upstairs, came to my room, they tried to do it professionally, but they tried to put
You
a
was scared,
Who put it?
I wasn't even scared. I was dead asleep.
Who put the
I was
mask
about to
on
start.
you? Was it Jaden?
Yeah, it was
put the mask on me?
Jaden.
Jaden put the
Jaden
mask
tried
on
to
me.
put she tried to put the pillowcase on my
She
head,
was the one who put it.
and I was about to throw her off the bed, and then I realized it was some laughing
No,
going
Jaden and Amaya started wrestling.
For real?
on. Man,
Yes, in the bed.
I was about to throw her. I know what's going on.
I punched him out one good time.
She punched me in my back. Come on, some get up.
Anyways, y'all, go follow.
Mimi, you was
No,
choking
be
me.
quiet. Let me tell them our Instagram. Go follow our Instagram at Howard Twins with a Z and our YouTube channel, Howard Twins with a Z. And then go subscribe. No, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then subscribe to our family channel, Team Groundheart. And
They
then go
just
follow-
posted a video.
Oh yeah. And then
That's
go
your
follow
YouTube channel name?
Team Ground.
That's
And then
our
go follow
family.
our Instagram family channel. Our Instagram family and our family Instagram is Howard Team Groundheart.
She lost. She
Mimi,
lost.
go ahead.
What?
Get your Snapchat.
It's 1,011 AMILLION.
Come on. You lost.
Add me. Dang, Jaden.
What? How you looking at you?
Hi, Jaden. I really forgot it.
He's smiling.
Anybody else mouth hot?
Mine's.
Y'all need some napkins.
This is spicy, spicy.
Napkin going once, twice, nobody.
Mimi need one. I need a couple.
Over here just. Here we go. Here we go.
Here.
Hey.
Pass me some more, girl.
Some more. I gotta get you two.
Real. It's a fake. Sorry, I forgot some potatoes in here. It's all good.
Okay. Oh, I already got it out. Oh. Are you eating my food?
Nah.
Oh, okay. Because I swear this had got some meat out and it's gone.
Because you ate it.
For real.
No, I think Maya ate it.
Nah.
Y'all think
Maya
she
gonna
ate
bite her
too.
fingers off.
She ate it too, 'cause it's not there.
Close your eyes. Get your eyes. This is not.
Oh.
Y'all, I don't
Bro, y'all
feel
should have shown me
stupid
how she got it out.
because
Why
I
you
was
did
talking real reckless about being traveling.
We should have beat them.
We lost.
Honestly.
We did.
Yeah, we had lost our game. What was it, about 10?
Oh.
I think it was about 10.
It was 40-52.
Yeah.
But with Jaden buzzer beater, I don't know what it was. I don't know the final score. That's okay. It's okay. We learning.
Hey, don't we play them at their house?
No.
What?
We only play Travis one time.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Oh.
Dang, bro, that junk just got in my
It really got in
I
here.
swear to God.
Hey, don't rub it.
Oh, I know y'all see
You
that.
got it! See? Bro, that's not fair.
I'm live. Wow. Did you see this?
I'm struggling, bro.
Yeah.
Wait, Mimi, how did you do that? Can you show me?
I don't know. She cracked it.
All right,
I can't. Oh, you're supposed to crack it.
grab
It was
this.
magic.
Pull this off here. Pull this off.
Okay.
Now you do
How
this.
did you
Crack
do
it.
it?
Crack it in the middle.
It was
I'm
magic.
gonna do that.
Next. After I
Dude.
What? I cut it.
Why y'all cutting? Y'all got fingers. Break them with your
Because keep getting in my eyes and it burn.
Close your eyes.
This junk really hot.
Yes, it is.
You're real sniffling.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Hey, why is it cut?
Well, I can't get this.
I'm not no professionals like I am.
I still gotta ask Warren to send those videos. I'm gonna post
Oh
that.
yeah, I was gonna post it too.
I hop was fun. We played.
Oh yeah, I hope that was fun. Mimi, your meal was like the only one that was like
My potato go. Me
My
was
what?
covering my
your
potato.
pancakes. They was like look good.
Bro, everybody was eating all her pancakes.
Did you take them home?
Dang.
No.
Wow.
You didn't?
No.
You left all the pancakes there?
She left all them good
Half a stack
pancakes.
was still there.
If they had vanilla, oh yeah, I would have been eating on your pancakes. But that was chocolate.
Vanilla.
I'm
Vanilla
eating
buttermilk.
chocolate.
Vanilla. What are you talking about? They had
What
cookies.
Jaden eating? Is that right?
What is that?
That's gumbo.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Why are you saying sorry?
I was out poking with this. I'm sorry. Let me turn it this way. Why are you watching me so hard?
No, I was watching you, but you kept saying you're sorry. I'm like, what you sorry for?
Because I poked it with the crab.
My white Nike shorts out of there.
Oh my god.
Oh well. Hopefully it'll wash out.
It's soft banging. I ain't gonna lie to you.
I'm about to try this corn.
Woo.
That corn about to be
What's
hot.
up?
I had one thing left and it's gone.
Bro, oh me. Oh me.
Oh, this corn good.
Oh me, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
I'm eating over
You
here.
better not bite that corn and get in my eye.
I can't even eat corn. I already know I'm messing up mine.
I'm
Corn
supposed to
good.
eat.
You're not supposed to eat corn?
Ooh, part two.
Me?
Ooh.
Man, show the camera that. You got that good.
Yeah.
So you gotta show me.
Bruh.
This corn good and hot.
Bro,
yeah,
look at
this
this. Y'all see this?
Y'all see this right here?
Jada,
Look
do
at
you see
her. She over here happy.
How'd you do
this?
that?
Okay, Mike, can I get it? Let me get it.
Get that plate. Where's
Oh, I ain't worried about it. It's all the way over there.
My mouth burning up.
Bro, can you at least warm me so when I can close my eyes?
Oh my bad, my bad.
My mouth hot. This corn good though.
Okay, Mimi, can you tell me how you did that?
You break it.
I told her, but see, like
That's
sometimes
not
it don't work every time.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, you
That was working.
You almost had it.
She got happy.
Don't forget about the sausage,
Close your
y'all.
eyes.
All right, go ahead.
Close your eyes.
appreciate that.
This bad boy hard.
That's hard. I don't get those.
I just cut myself on this thing.
Was it big one?
You did.
They too hard to crack. My phone.
My mouth hot.
Oh yeah.
My, that's
Wait, so you crack it in the middle?
Yeah.
Woo. Hot, 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 hot.
Okay, I learned at Jones Crab Shack. If you hold it to the light, You find the middle. That's where you break it at.
If you find it to the what?
Hold it to the light.
That's what you been doing all the time? You just not telling us that?
I ain't never picked it up.
No, I'm just use my scissors and get it out like that.
What?
People gonna be like, how she black and can't crack a crab? I don't know.
Oh, I remember I had one. Finally got to experience the red juice.
You been wanting to drink the red juice?
Yeah.
It's hard to crack.
JD got some green juice. It's good.
That's all he drink is green.
Close your eyes. Okay, y'all can't say I'm not loud for this.
Okay.
I
You got the whole thing out?
Yeah.
You cut it?
That's live.
Yes. No, I broke it in half.
Alright, I got the thing like that. I can just slide it in my mouth.
That ain't the good way.
Okay. Is there meat in the small part?
Bro, I'm cold. Not even gonna count.
Yeah.
I've been skipping it the whole time.
OMG.
Oh, I ain't get all of it, but I got a lot.
How you get
I
that?
broke it to the middle.
You know, I'm gonna get it before this video over.
You said break it to the
better.
middle.
Now when you cutting it with those scissors like that.
I can't crack it. I ain't strong enough.
Oh,
My bad.
what a cut meat.
You gonna
Tell your mom to insert the Applejack cinnamon stick by Jazz.
Ah!
That's what she look like.
Don't do that.
Don't do that to me.
that
now.
ain't
Don't
it.
do that to me. Now.
She's stupid. She like a what?
The Applejack, cause you know the Applejack thing skinny.
Oh, see, well. So if you look like it, Jen look like it too.
I'm not, but I'm thicker than her though.
Barely.
Mimi, don't play me. You know what's up, bro. For real.
Alright, whatever.
Y'all fried.
And Mimi, you the same size as me.
No,
Yeah,
no,
you
yes,
be the
you
same
are.
size. I'm bigger than
I'm
you.
super thick.
No,
Oh.
I don't know about
I'm
that.
bigger than her. That's what I'm getting.
No cap. Y'all really tripping. I'm
I'm
thicker than
super
all
thick. I
y'all.
don't even know why y'all
Mario,
play
you
with
the
me.
same size as me, so shut up.
Yes,
you. Why are you making a dirty face? I'm confused.
I'm thick. Y'all already know
Oh
what's
yeah,
up.
James is funny.
Well,
Oh, I don't know.
what's wrong
We're
with
really
JD?
the same size.
You good?
My
Why
thigh
you
bigger than
Whoa, yours a little bit bigger. Well, me
Why
and
you keep looking
Shannon.
at me like that?
Yeah, okay, like what I thought.
Shut up.
Yeah, you got a girlfriend?
You got a girlfriend, Jaden?
I'll be your
You
girlfriend.
gotta put. Ooh, okay.
I'm just kidding. Anyways, Mimi, I heard that.
I ain't gonna beat you up.
Anyway.
Ew.
I heard that.
I'm my napkin.
Y'all ain't slick down there.
Ooh, it's hot.
My mouth burning up. Bobby.
No, Bobby.
Okay, let me just tell everybody they dog crazy. Blonde and one
It's
eye.
half blind. It better be good how you go.
It is. It's good. My eye itch.
Amaya, how you haven't drunk no juice? It's so hot.
Right?
Cause when I drink juice, it get me full. I'm not trying to get full right now.
I'm full. My stomach hurts too.
Got a sandwich and I probably ain't eaten no seafood in a long time.
But I already ate my 2 clusters, so.
You did?
No, she didn't.
I did. Almost.
I only had like 3
Holy
legs.
crap. You ain't eat this. That got meat in
Why
it.
you touch me with your nasty hands?
I didn't. This got meat in it. Like these 2 things. You knew that?
Nah.
Ooh. See? Better not get that by my eyes. All that juice just get it out.
Okay, come on,
Mimi
baby.
gonna break
Okay,
it.
don't drop this in my juice because it'll be hot.
It's hot. Come on, break. Close your eyes. All right. There y'all go.
I tell you.
Oh, it's a lot of meat in the top.
Yeah.
I've been trying to start a YouTube channel forever.
You been trying to start one?
So what you doing? I did mine.
You can vlog.
Do hooping video.
Yeah.
Oh, you know in the summertime, like we travel,
When we go to the water and stuff, you
we
can
can
vlog.
record.
Y'all be going to New Orleans?
Yes.
Yeah, Chicago this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
We're
go
Chicago
everywhere.
this year.
I'm
And then when you're in the airport, you can record.
I'm going to Vegas. That's what Savannah told me.
Vegas.
Are you playing Savannah team this year?
Yeah.
I've been to Vegas, but I ain't been to a tournament in Vegas.
You know you're going to only be able to play till May.
Huh?
How old are you?
Senior.
I'm a senior.
How old are you?
Oh, I'm 17.
Okay, you're going to only be able to play till May.
Until May.
Is
Why?
it
You're a
even?
senior.
Why?
Because you're a senior. And when you turn 18, you can't play.
Girl, I turn 18 until July.
July, that's when all the, that's when all
Wait,
the
your birthday
tournaments-
when? July what?
July 24th.
Yeah, you
My
can
brother's
play.
birthday July 22nd. My birthday July 8th.
What tournament did we play in July? I know we was at a tournament.
But
for
he
my
not
birthday.
Leo though. He what?
I don't even know what I am.
Probably a Cancer. I don't know what you are.
Like, what if I need a refill of my red juice?
We Cancer.
You need a refill?
Get some of mine. Look at all the juice she got.
My, you
Ooh,
got
that's gonna
juice
be
dripping
gone.
all out that crap.
That was dirty.
I'm struggling with the top.
What up, Jaden?
You ain't gonna warn nobody?
I'm good at it. I haven't flicked so far.
How you gonna jinx yourself?
Right?
Yeah, I was talking about that girl. Freshman that airballed that free throw.
You ever want a free throw?
Yeah, airballed a free throw.
Oh man.
You and Jada had y'all fun time.
That was fun. I was mad.
My lips burning.
Close your eyes.
I'm about to get this crab out in one piece.
Oh, it wouldn't even open. Never mind.
Bro, it ripped. Alright, I gotta.
No, she ain't good.
But I was making my free throws too. Like they was all going in and it was going in on net, so I was happy.
Oh yeah.
Yep, 10:31.
Don't say it out.
Dang, we know the exact time.
Did you see how many we made?
Yeah.
Izzy prayed for when she go to the free throw line. I might need to start doing
She
that.
pray?
Yeah.
I'm gonna start
When
praying.
she make the shot, she go like this.
Thank you, God.
Shout out to Izzy.
Yeah,
Little
Izzy
Izzy
Bird.
Bird.
Oh snap! You said our school name.
Oh yeah. Ooh, woo.
She gonna cut it out.
Hey, somebody give me a
Girl, you wore the
potato.
A practice
yeah,
jersey.
in that one video.
Yeah, I didn't see the actual name though.
Hey, Jada. Ooh, this hot. Come
People
on, bro.
can't know our school name.
Cause my mama said it's a safety thing. I think
Why you
So-
Stick? Your name's Stick.
they nicknamed me Stick.
Who did?
People in Bryan. Well, wildlife camp.
Oh, y'all.
Wildlife camp. Is that a church
Ooh,
camp?
you saw that?
Gabby was that? Was it
Did
Tennessee?
you blow it? Yep.
I
You
think
lied.
so.
Gabby, you went this summer?
That was
blew it out,
April.
Jaden. I
Oh,
blew it
that
out.
went this summer to that.
You mean Young Life? She went to Young Life. Oh snap!
Who, Gabby?
I know that.
What was it in Tennessee?
Young Life is in Colorado.
Sorry, y'all.
Gabby's from Tennessee.
Poppin'.
Okay. Hold on, I probably don't got no notification.
I know I do.
Phone dried in the mud.
My phone not dry.
But I'm good. I'm Gucci.
My phone really not that dry.
You can make it not dry.
My phone be jumping.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Maya phone
We know.
be beaming.
We know.
And then she got like a ringtone when she get a text me.
Yeah,
Yeah.
there you
Oh yeah, you lied.
Ping, 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 ping.
go. Shoot fried.
What's up?
Yeah, they
What dance is that from?
I don't know. The line showed us that dance. I just be doing it.
He was doing
that
it.
retarded boy.
Yeah, but where's it
Who
from?
retarded?
That boy that was on Instagram.
Oh,
that's where we got it from?
That be doing that thing with his lips.
I
No.
don't know how to do it.
Nah, you good at it. You got it. You got it down pat.
Ooh, excuse
Oh
me.
my
Excuse me. Let me do that. Let me do that.
Who my phone poppin'? They ain't never been like that before.
You okay?
Struggling, bro.
What? Bro,
They didn't laughing at y'all. He don't do it.
You know, you
Bro,
just
we
laughing
be
because you see
funny.
somebody laughing. Well, you probably know. He can understand what people are saying.
Come on, Will.
Good?
Yes.
Sauce good?
Yes, the sauce is good.
You can see it.
My calf keep catching the
Girl.
crap. Mimi, I got you. I'm not gonna.
Bro, that
just did it.
Pilates
I
class?
wouldn't do
Y'all know that class? What's the?
Anyways, I was back there sweating. Wait, I was so tired. I was
going
sweating.
crazy.
Oh yeah, that yoga class had me out of there.
Our coach's friend from like 20 years ago or whatever, she came up to the school and I guess she's a yoga teacher or whatever you call it. And she came up there showing us
stretches?
exercises. I mean, stretches and stuff.
She fit first off.
Oh yeah, she really.
Yo, she got a body that I want. OMG.
You want your body like that?
Yes.
Ew.
Girl, boo. She had
That
a
ain't
good.
it. That ain't
Her
it.
core was just. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, she was fit.
Yes. But
She got some good skin.
Oh yeah, she
I don't want to
Like,
know.
She sour, but this shit's good.
She said what?
So what?
I want to pay attention to the skin.
But then Coach Pierce run track.
Yeah.
They all look like they was fit for track.
It was like
Oh,
she was a
shoot.
track star.
Oh yeah.
I'm done, y'all, honestly.
I'm about to burn it.
Well, can you give me a paper towel?
Bro, my tongue feel weird.
My calf keep catching the crap.
Thanks.
Napkin. You need napkin,
So
don't you?
y'all.
What?
That's what
Fingers
I'm
was
back.
low.
A little what? Look at the mine fingers.
Here.
My hair dirty. Give me one.
I need another one.
Me too.
Jaden, you want a napkin? Napkin.
Hand it to him. See
He
if
is
he's
so
gonna
cute.
grab it.
He is.
Here you go.
Here you go, Playboy.
Thank you.
Yeah, Playboy.
Jaden is so cute.
My boy Jay.
Playboy Jay. Stop calling him that.
Ooh, you big golden. You big
I'm full. Like big full.
Oh man, we didn't
That corn
touch
was
that
good.
stuff over there.
What is that?
Shrimp,
Potatoes?
potatoes.
I mean,
See, her head is dirty. She be just. I know it's.
Yeah,
I keep dropping my potato in there.
that's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's the
You wanna put it in your shirt like mine?
ew.
You wanna help you out? I got you. I got you. I got you. Son.
Yeah, Playboy J.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jay.
What am I doing? I haven't even.
There you go. You lie like that.
I can go to sleep. No.
We gonna go sleep back to
Oh,
the house?
I'm tired. We're not going to see
Oh, we
you.
not even going to TJ house?
Oh, y'all don't want to see the house too?
Girl, I thought we
So
were
y'all
going to
want to see the
Sydney house.
house with me and the hood?
That's what she
What
gonna
you
be
mean? We
with.
gonna watch Netflix, watch a movie.
Free.
My TT got a game room.
Dude, she got a theater room. That's what I want to see.
Sydney got a theater room. Oh shoot!
Theater room. I ain't been in one.
Your mama can take you to Sydney house.
Girl,
You and Millie
wanna
wanna go?
by myself?
Me be with you.
How you gonna volunteer me?
I'm just saying, like,
No.
shit, if y'all wanna go, y'all ready? All right.
Ooh, I'm dropping potatoes and stuff.
My stomach hurt. What in the world?
Come on, Jada, we eating. We didn't want to hear that.
This video probably like an hour long.
Yeah.
An hour? We haven't been sitting for that long.
I feel like it.
What time is it?
I need some red juice.
Are you done? You out of it?
Lele.
Leia!
She gonna be mad. Y'all called down to go fix some juice.
I'm gonna say she can get some shrimp.
Oh yeah. Give us some shrimp.
Come here!
Come get you some shrimp.
Come here.
I had it. It's a lot. I think I don't know some of this.
And that one it is.
Leia, you can get some
Yeah.
shrimp if you go fill up Mimi cup.
With some red
We
juice.
done.
Some red juice.
Me too. Right here.
Thank you, thank you.
Look.
Yeah.
Some red juice. Oh, put some more ice in there. You want some
I don't need them
No,
all.
I don't need no more.
Oh, no more ice.
Oh, what's the water?
First thing she said, y'all got some food for me? I don't never see your sister at school. Where she be at?
I do. I've been
Walking.
seeing her.
You
Don't
sure?
take these.
Cause I want to be enough to
Go.
Mimi nasty, so.
Bro, you got an accent.
Oh, wait.
Boo, I ain't nasty.
Jada,
What?
why you not eating your corn?
I'm done. I'm full.
Yeah.
This girl full.
Ooh, that's
She
hot.
said big.
Yes.
This corn
She's
good.
small, but this good. Eat. She can eat up.
Did
I
she
know.
drop it? You dropped it?
Yeah.
How you gonna?
I'm real small, but I can eat. I still don't gain weight.
What? Same.
I'm like, what, I'm 115?
And I ain't even on 115. I'm like 140 something.
I don't know how much.
140.
Yeah, I'm
I don't know
115.
how much I weigh.
Jada, you
Oh,
like
in case-
150.
In case everybody don't know, so I'm sitting down on 5'10".
That's
know.
tall.
No, 5'8".
You won.
5'8", 5'9".
Girl, she 5'8". Get her together.
You just want to be extra tall, don't you?
I mean, I used to not like it. Like, I used to be like, I didn't like it, but now I'm fine with it because of basketball. So.
Leia, bring me that plate, sweetness.
What is that?
Oh, that's hot.
Right here, Leia. Just hand me the plate. Oh my goodness, you're doing the most.
Let her get her food.
What you need to put?
Wait, do I need to take it? Or can I eat it right here?
You can eat it.
You just
I want
don't
some sauce.
get out the way, Lily.
Who is that?
Oh, Jaden, what's wrong?
Take Jaden's spot.
What's wrong?
You sleepy, Jaden?
Probably is.
You sleepy?
I'm out hot.
You go night.
This my juice?
I'm on napkin duty. Anybody need a napkin?
Appreciate it.
Bro, if I get all of this out, you know how to get all of this out? Hey, you wanna do it?
Yeah.
She a pro.
Girl.
Hold on, we got the
Oh,
she
can I
did
touch
that.
it?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Ah, dang, it broke.
No, you gotta bite this part.
It's good. I'ma still eat it.
She did that. She said, I've been trying all night. Didn't you get one?
She got it. What? 2 times. I didn't see the second time. So you got it.
2 times.
I got one. I showed y'all. I got one out though.
I gotta get mine for the video, so.
Y'all, I'm really trying to go see my man.
All right, let's hope she edit that out.
I don't care.
Ooh, it almost came out.
What up? Everybody finna be saying that. Everybody already say that.
I
Say
don't.
it. Say it. What up? Say
What up?
Yeah, everybody already said it. My hair looks fine.
Yeah, me getting the baby.
Ooh!
I'm sorry, y'all. Did I get it on y'all? I'm sorry.
You got your off?
It'll get it.
I'm sorry, Jaden. I'm out hot. How you be eating all that to yourself? I watched your video. Excuse me. Excuse me, y'all. I watched your video and you had the whole thing and you weren't even drinking your juice.
What? I always drink my juice, right? I be guzzling my juice.
Is it good?
Oh, Mimi, you took my crab.
Bro, mine is over here eating my food.
Bro, I was not eating your food.
Dang.
No, this is the first time. This is the first time I took your
You ate her stuff? Yes, you took my crab.
Yeah. Let me take this off now. Bitch, you shoot I can't move on. I'm not even funny.
I used
What
to
did you say?
Napkin.
You on your napkin duty for real.
You on the spot with it.
Oh, she good for you. Did I have a napkin?
What you say?
I heard you.
See, that's all you good for.
Yeah, it's not that funny. I'm funny. Yo.
All right, so you crack it in this way first? How you do it?
Just push it out.
Crack it.
Push it.
Oh, yes. Okay, y'all see this? I got my first one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Why you looking? You want some?
You got sauce and punch and don't stop it out. Everything.
Sauce and punch.
Bro, your mama gonna.
I'm done.
Mimi and Jazz, y'all the smallest ones over here. Y'all still eating.
I need some shrimp.
Okay.
There's shrimp all in there.
It's at the like at the
I ate it all out of here. And
It's something at the bottom swimming
It's
around.
something in the bottom, but I just don't know what it
It
is.
is?
Oh yeah, no.
I ate that one.
I'm out hot. This corn is good, boy.
Oh, man. I'm going straight to sleep.
Oh,
Me
word.
too.
Word.
I have one.
We doing great. Get that.
Take the whole.
Okay, y'all. So, I'm full. Jada full. These two still hungry for some reason.
They fat. They fatter than you.
Now y'all know who the fattest ones. It's not me. But
I'm not still eating.
But this food.
She got her food over here. She just put it down.
but the seafood was good. Good. Was good.
Yeah, it was good.
It was good.
The sauce was good too.
No, it was good. It's hot.
And yeah. And y'all make sure y'all go follow them on their YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, all that stuff. And before you gotta leave, make sure you guys do what? Thumbs up to the video, subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. Everyday videos. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Bye.
Woo!
I'm hot. I was starting to cramp. My leg was starting to cramp. I asked you, was you comfortable?
Oh.